Jericho, congratulations. Jericho, three-pointers ng fourth quarter. Very crucial, mga alos last 8 minutes yun. How big was that considering you're also playing well in this final series?
Well, yun nga, katulad ng mga sinabi ko before, man step up lang ang ginagawa ko eh. Kung bakit yung nilaro or hindi masyadong maganda nilaro ng first group, dito kami ni Don to step up sa second group. So yun lang yung ginagawa namin. Binibigyan din namin ng motivation kasi pag maganda laro namin, pagpasok nila mas lalong gaganda laro nila eh. So yun. Pero gusto ko rin thank you kay Coach dahil sa tiwala niya binibigay sa akin. Hanggang ngayon meron pa rin. So,
Of course.
tagal lang yung kasama ni Coach.
Pagka wala na yun, wala ka na rin.
Mabakasyon na kayo, uwi na akong buwan niya. So ayun,
Coach, may gusto ko man nagdag about Jericho?
Jericho Cruz, well, I know him since college. Alam ko yung kanyang tapang, alam ko yung strength, alam ko yung weaknesses niya. And then makikita nyo the right time, the right place, nag-step up siya. And kilala rin niya ako paano ako mag-coach. Ganyan. And then, I'm so happy I have a good relationship with the players, especially from college. And before kasi he's not supposed to be in the PBA. He wants to go back to USA after college. He wants his father to be enlisted in the US Navy. But I told him na you have a potential to be a good PBA player. And that's what happened. And from there, everything's history na niya yun.
secret pa natin yun.
Secret.
Secret pa natin yun.
Oo.